Today, an Indigenous girl brought me into her world to teach me how to make her favorite traditional meal completely from scratch. And this isn't something you order at a restaurant. To make it, we had to go deep into the jungle and collect the ingredients ourselves. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly how the entire meal is prepared from start to finish, what it tastes like, and why so many people here still choose to live this way. And you'll see her say that I'm lazy the entire video, and to stop cooking, and just to let her do it. So, let's get into it. Let's make Pacos, baby. But first things first, we have to get the appetizer. So, we are at her little yucca farm, slash field, whatever you want to call it. So, ¿qué estamos haciendo? Let's ask her.
Vamos a sacar la yuca para comer con el ayampaco.
Yep, we're going to get this yucca, which is called cassava. Fun fact, this is actually what they make out of, you know the famous brand Siete? It's like a paleo, vegan, whatever it's called, right? Chips. It's actually made from this root and not from tortilla flour. So lo corta y qué más.
Se le corta las hojitas, luego se le saca jalán.
It's pretty tough to pull from the ground. They just want to like root it up and just rip it out. Vamos a hacer encuesta. ¿Me das $5? Si no puedes, ¿ya?
Ya.
Y si puedes, te doy 5. ¿Trato?
Ya.
Alright, we did a little $5 bet here. ¿Sí ves? Okay, yo. No. Yo podría sacar ese pequeñito 100%.
No, tú eres tramposo.
No soy tramposo. Okay, she is saying it's pretty different. Oh, look at that beauty, bro. That's huge. Esa grandote.
Sale, mi amor.
So what she's saying is the roots got inside of the bamboo, so pretty impossible, so we're gonna have to dig it out. Let's just skip. Bam! Check this out. This is a tramposa. Muéstrame.
Eres tramposo.
Muéstrame.
Ya saqué.
That is her prize. That's like catching a bass and showing how big your bass is.
Ya te gané, tienes que pagarme.
No, tú hiciste trampa con machete.
No se vale, eres tramposo tú.
No. This is ingredient number 1 right here. This is the first ingredient, baby. El primer ingrediente.
Primer ingrediente.
So I realized why down here all the women cook and clean. It's because it takes the entire day, which you're about to see, to make one singular dinner. So, but I'm still pretty excited. Let's go. Ya vamos.
Oh, olvidé mi pintura.
Ya sé. ¿Por qué pintas tu cara?
Porque me gusta. Sobre mi cultura shuar.
So why do they paint their face? I think the line signifies like a mountain, the dot signifies Mother Earth, or something like that. I'm not too sure. Ahorita, ¿qué falta para preparar el ayampaco?
Ahora vamos a picar el pollo y después vamos a picar el palmito.
¿Cuántos ingredientes necesitas para el ayampaco?
El pollo, palmito, sal, la hoja y el bejuco.
¿Qué es bejuco?
Para amarrar.
Pero solo para comer. So excluding like the things that you bake it in, which are those leaves right there. They're baked in, instead of aluminum foil, baked in leaves. I think it's literally just pollo, palmito y sal. It's 3 ingredients to make this thing. So if you guys don't make this at home, you guys do not know what you're doing. Also, también si ellos no tienen palmito,
También pueden hacer con col o con espinaca.
You guys can also make it with spinach, which I've tried that before. It's super good. Ahora necesitas enseñar ellos cómo cortan para poner en la ayampaco, porque ellos van a hacer en la casa de suyos.
Le corto los huesos y todo, y luego cuando se le come se le va quitando los huesitos cuando ya está cocinado.
Alright, so imagine this, right? You basically do nothing. You don't separate the chicken from the beans. Chicken from the beans? What am I saying, dude? I'm thinking about beans at my house. You don't separate the chicken from the bones. Because that's all part of it and it's cooked in all together. ¿Por qué no separas los huesos y el pollo?
¿Cómo voy a separar los huesos? Está en la carne, pero aquí el huesito da más sabor.
Sí.
Sí.
Se ve como así cuando se pica el pollo.
¿Pero qué haces con este?
Esto es yuyo.
So believe it or not, this entire big thing is the second ingredient, which I doubt you'll be able to find this in the United States, but I'm sure you can substitute with spinach. Alright, so what's on the outside actually is not what you eat. It is what's on the inside. It's like como moco.
Pero es así mismo el palmito.
Okay. So, let's get this thing is this right here on the inside. That is what you eat, but it's not on the outside. So, I guess like a banana peel. Let's peel it. She got her sister to help her. This is what she's doing, just peeling it. I mean, nothing really much to explain here. That right there, that is what they eat.
Y ahora pica tú. Yo te voy a grabar, es vago, eres vos.
It looks like string cheese, but it's not. It's more like a sauerkraut vegetable type of thing. Yo voy a picar eso. Este aquí es dulce, ¿no es cierto? Sí. But this part right here has all the honey in it.
Así se le pica el palmito.
Step number 2 or 3, I'm not too sure. Basically just shred it and get all the cabbage looking stuff right in there. And I believe we're gonna mix it, but let's see. Let's see.
Eres vago, tú también necesitas hacer esto. ¿Cómo me vas a cuidar cuando esté de dieta?
Okay, let's do it too. I think I'm probably gonna be able to do it better than them. Because back in my days, I was a professional chef. Not really, but a little bit. I mean, it's literally just like cutting, what's it called? Cheese sticks. Ese no, ¿no es cierto?
Eso es todo eso.
Oh, serious?
Ya dame yo, no sabes nada tú. Te voy a mostrar la planta del palmito que sacamos.
Oh, it's all the way up there, dude. Incredible. That is what they harvest the little palma fruit from. If anyone looks it up, I think it's called in English, heart of palm. Before we get back to cooking, I have to show you guys this view. Every day I feel like this is a video game. Look at this, dude. Hold on.
Oh.
Oh my God, beautiful.
Esa es la frutita que el morete carga. También se come las pepitas, eso se llama achu. Utilizamos para 3 cosas. Espérate.
Yeah.
1, el morete carga achu. Sacamos el palmito también. 3, a lo que sacamos el palmito, cargan los muquimbis.
The tree that I failed to cut down, my followers are, dogging me for it because I wasn't able to cut it down. Next video, next few videos, I'm gonna try to do it. But that exact tree that I cut down has the 3 uses. Next we have the 3rd or 4th ingredient. I'm not keeping track. You guys let me know. Is this the 3rd or the 4th ingredient? But she's gonna explain.
Esto se utiliza para, eso se llama hoja. Es el segundo ingrediente para hacer el maito. Esto se le pone, se le abre, se le pone aquí el palmito con el pollo y se le envuelve.
¿Por qué no usas aluminio?
Eso es químico. Nosotros comemos 100% natural.
Alright, this is what it is. It's all mixed up and it's all ready. Espera, tú hagas primero y yo hago segundo.
Ya, ven, yo te enseño, rápido, muévete. Le coges, le envuelves así. Ahí.
Facilito, como cigarrillo. Facilito.
Y ya está.
So basically they have a workstation right here. She puts all of this stuff inside of the leaf and then they wrap it right here. Alright, so time to get my 3 leaves. She didn't explain it very well because she's kind of shy and nervous. But, I'm used to talking to camera, so I'll kind of give it a little go ahead. I can't wait to eat this, dude. I'm like starving right now. And you roll it into kind of like a little joint, or like a little cigarette. That's what people want to refer that to as. And then, boom, right there. And then bam, you tie it. Take this bad boy.
Estás haciendo mal, mi amor.
No, it's mine.
Sí. Sí, está mal, así.
No, it's mine.
Sí, está mal. Ve así, se coge. Es así.
Apparently, I did it
Y
wrong.
tenías que coger aquí, ve. Aquí, Samar, aquí. Tú estás así. Aquí. Agarra, pues tú mismo. Ahí, eso ahí. Otra vuelta. Otra vuelta. Aprieta duro.
Yeah? Okay, there we go. This is what theirs looks like, and then this is what mine looks like. Mine's a little bit fatter on the top and doesn't look like a little stick thing. Let me know, guys, which one looks better, theirs or mine. Of course, I'm a fat American, so I put a lot more in this one than this one. And now the only thing that's left.
Después de eso se le pone en el carbón, en la leña para ya cocinarle y comer.
So they don't have an oven, obviously. So right here, this is their oven. ¿Y en cuántos minutos está listo?
Media hora.
Porque yo tengo bastante hambre.
En media hora ya está listo todo.
Also, by the way, only in the Amazon do you have just, banana tree stock just hung up in the kitchen. That's normal here. Pretty normal. In Ecuador, it's totally normal to use bananas for just about everything. They use bananas for banana bread. They grill them. They toast them. They make it into sweet treats. They put cheese in them, which bananas and cheese isn't too good of a mix. I won't lie, but it's because Ecuador has such plentiful amounts of bananas. You kind of gotta use it for everything, you know. It's a very cheap source of nutrition for people here. Okay, this is the final product. As you see, the rest are still cooking over there, but they gave me the ready one, so let's eat, baby. We got some yuca here, of course, which you saw earlier in the video. Delicious. And some platano, which is right up there. Ready. Oh yeah, baby. So this is probably the easiest dish you'll ever eat in your entire life. We got our spicy right here, and here's our ampaco. This is what it looks like. Let me give you guys a little close-up, actually. That is what it looks like right here. I'm gonna first try just the normal chicken itself. Here's the thing. The leaf, I don't think you can do it with aluminum. I don't think you really can. I think the leaf actually adds flavor into it, because this, if they're just putting salt, literally just salt in this doesn't taste like normal just salt. It has a little bit of a little burnt leaf vegetable taste to it, which is super, super good. So that doesn't taste normal. I think you do have to use a leaf. Yeah, have to use a leaf, 100%. And then this is a little palm vegetable right here. Basically tastes like cabbage. And then yuca. Super good. Platano, con a little spicy here. Super good. Let me try to get now. Trying to get a little bite with everything here together here. So considering all the flavors in here, and considering that there's only 3 ingredients, but it doesn't only taste like it's 3 ingredients because the leaf gives the flavor, roasting over the fire gives it the flavor, and then they have a little spicy here, which is literally basically water and crushed up, you know, peppers. I'll probably rate this entire thing 9 out of 10. Era muy bueno el empaco. Creo es mi favorita todo el mundo de
Es bien
aquí.
rico con el
Es bien
palmito y
rico.
el pollo.
Pero no tiene sabor como solo pollo y sal. Creo que la hoja tiene sabor también.
La hoja también huele rico.
Sí, it has a whole flavor too. Alright, so if you like this video and probably gonna make this yourself someday, or maybe come down to the Amazon and try this, drop a subscribe, like the video, give it a subscribe.
Subscribe,
Please,
please.
subscribe.